Tesla has a new plan to extend Giga Texas. There are filings that show that. So Tesla is planning to expand Gigafactory Texas, its newest electric vehicle production plant that is located just outside Austin city limits, filings show. Tesla is planning to build on a 68.11 acre plot of land located adjacent to the factory's main property, with plans for industrial use facilities with associated improvements, the filings stated. I will have the link to the filings in the description of this video, friends. First reported by Austin Business Journal, the project is listed as a production support area for Giga Texas, and not many other details are known currently. Just that much, as the filing showed, Tesla is still working through the approval process of this expansion of Giga Texas. Tesla has been purchasing additional land, submitting plans for expansion, and working to broaden Gigafactory Texas and its entire footprint. In late June, Tesla filed to expand Gigafactory Texas by 500,000 square feet, friends, working on expanding the Central General Assembly 2 and General Assembly 3. This followed February filings that showed a 220,000 square foot warehouse was planned on site, with construction beginning in June, with a BESS system to support energy generation and storage, probably for Giga Texas. Gigafactory Texas is said to be Tesla's most complete manufacturing facility in its lineup of production plans. Not only will it build Tesla's most recent and advanced vehicles, but it will also produce the cells that make them the most advanced vehicles, the 4680 battery cells. It's a massive facility, and it can fit 194 billion hamsters and is 3 times the size of the Pentagon. It is also the second largest building in the world by volume. Tesla has been delivering Model Ys from Gigafactory Texas since the company's Cyber Rodeo event in early April. What do you think, friends? I think this is very exciting that Tesla is expanding Gigafactory, taking it to the next level. Now, I think we will look forward to see what is coming to this new expansion, what Tesla will be building at Gigafactory Texas, the new expansion, maybe expand the battery. But what do you think will be that adjacent support? You know, like I said, the filing stated that this location is adjacent to the factory's main property, with plans for industrial use facilities with associated improvements, the filing said. And like I said, first reported by Austin Business Journal, the project is listed as a production support area. Now, what can this mean? What production support can provide Tesla? Battery, but Tesla is already building the battery plant at Gigafactory Texas. What other production support do you think this area can provide for Giga Texas? Let me know, friends, in your comments. I'll look forward to reading your comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Give us thumbs up, like this video please, and share in social media. Thank you very much for all your support. God bless you, everyone, and I'll see you soon in our next report. We have a nice clear shot of Tesla Giga Texas battery cathode plant progress, friends. This image is from our friend Joe Techmeyer, who always chronicles the building and construction of Gigafactory Texas. And now we have this clear shot of the cathode factory. You know, in February, it was around February 3, Tesla applied for a permit to extend Gigafactory Texas with a building to produce cathodes for battery production. The Giga Texas cathode plant was going to be likely contribute to Tesla's 4680 battery cell production plans in Austin. In the Tesla's Q4 and full year earnings call, CEO Elon Musk confirmed that Giga Texas Model Y vehicles will be equipped with the company's structural battery pack and 4680 cells. He then announced that Model Y vehicles built in late 2021 were already built with Tesla's structured battery packs and 4680 cells. Now we see that the progress at Tesla's Giga Texas, the battery cathode plant, is going really well. But you know, friends, in May we learned that a group of environmentalists was asking the city of Austin to withhold Tesla's permit for its upcoming battery cathode material factory next to Gigafactory Texas over concerns about water supply along the Colorado River. Now, if you remember, in Germany, the company ran into many issues with environmentalists challenging the automaker's permit over a multitude of concerns ranging from deforestation to water usage. Meanwhile, it was smooth sailing in Texas, which is notoriously pro-business and where environmental assessments are often nothing more than a formality. But now we see that the battery cathode plant is progressing really well, as you can see from this shot. This is good progress for Tesla, and we hope that Tesla soon will start building its own batteries at mass scale and put them in its cars, because batteries are vital and crucial for the advance of electric vehicle adoption. So this is Armin Haria from TalkNews.com. Let me know your thoughts, friends, about this, how the progress going with Gigafactory Texas battery cathode plant, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up, like this video, we would greatly appreciate it. Very cool news about Tesla vehicles and Mount Everest. Tesla vehicles for the first time have reached the Mount Everest base camp, operating at 5 kilometers of altitude, as you can see in these images, friends. Tesla is known for not advertising, but it does sometimes produce and or share marketing videos from its owners on social media. This is one of the best advertising Tesla could have, right? This one from Tesla China is particularly interesting as it features a couple of Tesla owners who drove their Model Y and Model X all the way to the Mount Everest base camp. This is why I said Tesla vehicles rather than a Tesla vehicle. So it was Model Y and Model X reaching to the base camp of Mount Everest for the first time. Tesla recently completed its supercharger route along the China National Highway, which runs from Shanghai to Jiangmu across 5,476 kilometers. That's 3,403 miles. Trenson, a Chongqing-based bridge designer and travel vlogger, and his friends set out to test the route from Chengdu to the Mount Everest base camp, around 2,339 kilometers, which is 1,425 miles on a Tesla, and 9 supercharger stations. So it took 9 supercharger stations to cover the 1,425 miles to the base camp of Mount Everest on a Tesla. This distance itself is not that impressive. I just drove a similar distance from Quebec to Mississippi in a Model 3 last week, and it was actually quite easy, reports Electrek reporter. But the difference here is the elevation that Trenson had to drive up and the rough terrain that he and his friend faced. He also had to have wheel chains at times, which destroy his efficiency. You know, wheel chains will destroy electric vehicle efficiency to a degree. Cars powered by internal combustion engines actually have issues operating at high altitude since oxygen is low and they need it to achieve combustion. You know, your car does need an oxygen to achieve combustion. This is why it's difficult for combustion engines. He also says he also had to actually sleep in the car on a few occasions, which also drains the battery pack, right? Since he had to keep climate control on. But they made it to their destination, becoming the first Tesla vehicles to do so, which is very exciting. Now, at the end of the video, which I will have the link in the description of this video, Tesla notes that it has already deployed over 8,700 superchargers at over 1,200 stations in mainland China. In fact, I just today did a short at our YouTube channel at Torque News showing the latest supercharger in Tibet, which is really cool, clean, and nice. Tesla also operates an extensive destination charger network in the country in China with more than 1,800 chargers at over 700 locations. Those chargers are primarily located at hotels and tourist destinations. So friends, what do you think? I think this is very exciting that Tesla reached the base camp of Mount Everest for the first time. What is the longest you have driven, and what is the highest altitude that you have driven? Let me know, friends, in the comment section below. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news, and ring the bell after you subscribe so you don't miss my coverage, and give us thumbs up. Like this video if you like the information here and the information that we do with this channel, and visit us at TorqueNews.com. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Looking forward to reading your comments.